As a marketer, you must develop a comprehensive digital marketing plan if you want to successfully promote any business. Regardless of the channel being utilized, cohesive marketing refers to providing the same service, content quality, and brand values. Bringing all of the platforms that support your business under one overarching omnichannel marketing approach is the goal. This will maintain consistency throughout and provide you with a decent return on your investment. Even though your website should still be the primary source of information about your company, goods, and services, you should think about being visible on additional channels that matter to your target market. The services you provide there must consistently meet the same standards and levels. So, everything should be coordinated and consistent, including your blog, FAQs page, contact form, social network accounts, email, and more. Once you get it right, scaling up is quick and simple, and you can engage the proper audience wherever they interact with your company.